इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड्स बेकायदेशीर आणि असंविधानिक आसून लेगीत प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हे इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड्साक तेंको दिता. प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हे न्यायालयान दिल्ल्या आदेशाचो अवमान करतात असो आरोप कॅप्टन विरियातो फर्नांडीस हांणी केला. इलेक्टोरल बॉन्डा स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडियान लेगीत सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान चुकीची माहिती दिल्या. ताका लागून ह्या बँकेचेर कितलो विश्वास दवरप हो सध्या प्रश्न उपरासता अशें विरियातो म्हणटा.
आयज आमकां कळून आयला की इंडियेचो प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी he has tried to justify the ill-conceived and illegal scheme electoral bond which the Supreme Court in no uncertain terms said that it is unconstitutional. And wo Pradhan Mantri has tried to justify it. This is nothing but contempt of court and I condemn this. आता एक सांगचे म्हळ्यार he is trying to justify, but all these thousands of crores have come into the BJP khate through electoral bond only after agencies like ED, CBI, income tax have raided those companies. And why only in BJP's account? This shows that there was an ulterior motive, well-conceived plan of the BJP to use all these companies and get the money into the kitty. Also shocking is that a leading bank, the most trusted bank of India, State Bank of India, lied to the Supreme Court that they will require 3 months for declaring all the details of the electoral bonds. And they विचारताले की जून पासून आमकां एंड ऑफ जून पासून आमकां टाइम दी म्हूण. वेन्ना सुप्रीम कोर्टान एक दांडो मारलो हांचेर, immediately within 3 days they declared all the details of those who had bought the electoral bonds and to whom it went. So now एक असली एक चिंतेची विषय म्हळ्यार people are trusting this bank, putting their valuables, be it gold, be it their savings into the state bank. How can we trust this state bank in future? So there is a need कि such agencies like State Bank of India, basically the institution, there is a urgent need to be freed from the clutches of the BJP government.